What is up, guys? You know me, Steve, your favorite rust buster.
Hey.
This guy, his name's Justin. He's a bit of a Knight Rider fanatic.
A bit.
He is here stealing more parts off of the Black Firebird. Namely, right now, all of my crappy gold interior, which I hate. So he is donating his blue stuff, and he's about to put my car back together for me.
You're gonna help, right?
He already stole my tail lights, so we got modern tail lights in this thing. And if you've noticed in the background, the Formula style hood is already missing.
Yeah.
That also went to the Knight Rider car project of Justin's, so this is his hood.
I do want to clarify, this is actually Elijah's project. And
yes.
This is kind of the golden boy when it comes to Knight Rider. He's the big Knight Rider fan, so
Awesome.
we're gonna rock this out. This is a lot of fun.
Yeah. So if you like Knight Rider stuff, I know you already like Firebirds if you're here watching this video. So go give him a sub, watch his stuff. It's a little dry and boring. No.
My stuff is not dry and boring. It's
So,
just as entertaining as yours.
Yeah, get to work. I'm filming and I'm drinking my coffee.
Okay, so what we're looking at here is we're gonna grab these seat belts.
Are you gonna take those?
I didn't take mine out, so
Yeah.
I'll have to bring them back.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna snag the front.
Because the other piece is missing on the other side. That piece.
Right.
And
Okay.
the buckles for the back are missing in the middle.
Okay. I wonder if I can just do a die on the seat belts.
I don't know, but no guarantees that those bolts will come out. I mean, I had to do a whole floor pan on that side. This thing's kind of rusty.
You know what? A little WD, we'll give it a shot. I don't think it'll break though, so I think we'll be all right. Well, let me grab my tools and which one is this? Oh yeah, it's all the Torx.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, give
So
her
I
a
think
whirl.
we'll be all right.
Yeah. And yeah, there was no center console. This this thing I just set in here doesn't seem to be right for this car.
No.
That or I'm missing pieces. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, rule one, let's start with carpet. I thought we were just kind of swapping this over stuff like this. Like that.
Can I break it?
Well, some of these actually break very easily, so we're just going to have to rearrange a little bit. There we go. Good as new. Okay, let's take this out.
And I don't have speaker grills.
No speaker grills.
No.
Yeah, we'll take those
You
back
might need to keep those then.
Grab those, Eli, stick them in the van.
Leave them in the van?
Yeah, stick them in the van somewhere. Don't worry, I'm pretty sure we won't mix up each other's parts.
I gotta say, your interior pieces look nicer than mine already. So.
Yeah, a little bit. That's okay. It's half the motivation.
Yeah.
At this point, the trade is much cheaper than buying it myself.
Yeah.
And that's just, we don't have the budget for that, so.
Oh, we need to get this out of here.
Okay, Eli, come over here. You stand over here and let's get these wires out of the way and flatten up this carpet in here.
Okay.
Right? Because we want this to all kind of fall in here.
It smells funny.
Why? Because it's a different
Did somebody fart or is that your carpet?
That's not my carpet. Must have been Elijah.
Hey!
Okay, it was James.
Who cut one?
All right, these are doors. And that's a door as well. So,
I guess the side panels would go next, hey? In the back here?
yeah, I'm
But
just
don't lean on that console, it's just sitting there.
got it. Okay. That goes there, that goes there. So yeah, it's just the sides here.
Well, unless you want to try for that seatbelt first.
I do want to take the seatbelts out. I'm actually not going to narrate as I go, so if you want to do that, that's fine. I'll just kind of grab my tools and see about pulling this stuff out.
Mm-hmm.
You want to grab some WD-40?
Yeah. Well, you guys get the idea. I guess when we get this all back together, we'll film a little more. And if the car starts afterwards, maybe we'll do some donuts or something. Justin's currently trying to break things over here.
Thanks. Vote of confidence much? I'm just trying to feel it. But... Oh, there it goes.
Did it go?
No
Look at you.
frickin'
Look
way.
at you.
We got her! The 45 was too small, we needed the T50. And there it goes.
Did you spray the underside of the bolt?
Oh, I sprayed it everywhere.
Like from under the car, I mean.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
I'll do it again.
Anyway, look at this fancy gray door panel I just finished installing. looks pretty good.
You know, I think I changed my mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take it all back. Boys, pack it all up back in the van. Let's go. We were going to bring KITT, but we had already unloaded it all. And I was like, you know what? I think we'll just...
Yeah, we'll have to finish this video up with a shot of KITT. We'll get both cars together.
Yep.
Do some
side by side
drifting in unison.
You expect me to drift with a V6? This is a solo project, buddy. That's hilarious.
Okay.
Oh, filming.
Anyway, check out Justin Dueck's channel. Somehow my car looks like a disaster, but that's all good.
Man, you're matching. What are you talking about, a disaster?
No, it's all good. It's all good.
Great, man.
So,
that's the smell of exhausting gas all mixed together.
yeah.
Your taillights look great. Eli, stand by the car and look enthralled with this exchange. Sure.
And here goes all my Knight Rider interior.
You got all my taillights and all the interior components. And now we'll see what I'm missing from this car.
Okay, well, I was gonna do some donuts for you guys, but my car's out of gas. So next time,
You can have it.
I really would like to sign that car up for a burnout competition. There's a couple around this summer. We'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. Well, look who showed up here to steal more parts back off of my car.
I'm not stealing parts off your car. I'm stealing stuff I gave to you that isn't compatible with the exchange. There's a difference.
Indian giver.
Indian give. Oh, okay, easy, Barney.
Can I say that?
I don't think you can anymore.
Oh.
But you know what?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I can't.
Oh, there's money in here.
Oh, there's a real 10 cents in there. Yeah, I saw it earlier.
Uh-huh. So the problem was the newer seatbelts did not clip into the older seatbelts.
They did not. The 88 seatbelts are not compatible with 82, which I can't even get over in my brain because it should have not changed.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm sure this looked better before you tore it all back apart again.
Well, I tell you, man, it's come a long way.
Yeah. Okay, well, when you're done, we got to park them next to each other and get a thumbnail picture.
Yeah, I agree. That was pretty good. I'll have to rip that footage off you.
Oh, there we go.
Rock and roll. Gave the hood a quick spray bomb. It's uneven, but oh well. It looks like it's been spray bombed, but it was a lot rougher with those awful clear coat patches all over them, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
So considerably better. And of course, the interior swap was a complete success. I'm so much happier with the tan interior. And my predecessor here obviously loves the gray. Let's go in for a close-up there. You're gonna hit the tan first? Hit your gray first. Hit your gray.
Well, no. Let's see.
But it looks so pretty.
You gotta find some tan seats.
No, these are the seats. I just gotta either dye them or I need to get them
covered.
reupholstered, and that's just not in the budget right now. So
Well, you done good in there.
let me lift this up for you. One strut's down so I can keep the weight and keep the exhaust out.
Yes.
I hit all the plastic with a little bit of that dye.
Yep.
Works good.
And then, I mean, this isn't all finished together yet, but, you know,
It'll come together.
it's not much to look at yet.
Well, just don't leave it in the sun so long. That's the problem.
Okay, well, I thought you might like to see the two cars side by side. Mr. Knight Rider and stock. I was going to say Corvette. They are not Corvettes.
No.
Though some people might mistake this for a Corvette.
Well, Pontiac has had that effect.
Yeah. Right on. Well, if you guys haven't already and you want to see this all coming together, go check out Justin's channel.
Justin Dueck 53.
Because he's also got a Herbie thing.
Yeah, the 53 is a Herbie thing for sure.
So, cool guys. See you later.